Hello everybody, this is just a quick video to acquaint you with the new spin state design Aston Martin key fob and also show you how to go about installing it. So this key fob is intended to replace the factory Volvo style key fob that was on early Aston Martin V8 Vantage and DB9 cars. So basically if you have any Aston Martin that has a key that looks like this, then this new product is for you. May seem intimidating to some, but it really is a very simple do-it-yourself job to swap the transmitter between your existing key and the new one. So I'll just run you through that process really quick. First thing we're going to do is disassemble the factory key fob. You're going to need two tools for this. One, a small Phillips screwdriver, and two, a hex wrench, either 5/64 inch or 2 millimeter will also work. Don't worry if you don't have one of these because one is supplied with your purchase of the spin state design fob. So this key on the bottom here is the Phillips. I'll go ahead and remove that. And then the hex takes this screw out. And there we go. Once the screws are out, then this will come apart like such. Alright, next to retrieve the components we need, most importantly the green transmitter here. So easiest way to get at it is usually just to pry it up from the bottom side here. So it should come out like this. In some cases you may get just the green part out and the rubber piece will stay stuck in the case there. If that does happen, we do need to get this rubber piece out because we need that. And you can set that case aside and also remove the ignition key. One reason I did not mention the battery is just that you can remove this battery and reuse it if you like, but as long as we're in here, why not go ahead and put a new battery in there just for peace of mind. So we'll have these three components when we're done. If the rubber cover did come off during disassembly, we'll just go ahead and put those two pieces back together and we'll set these aside. Now your new spin state design key fob will come fully assembled like this. We'll just need to remove the three screws. And there we go. This red piece is just a 3D printed spacer. Its sole purpose is just to keep the buttons from rattling around during shipping, so you can discard that. We'll take our transmitter, put it in the space, and open up this little leather bit, and we'll thread our ignition key onto that. Some people put a split ring on their keys instead of directly putting their ignition key on. You can do that the same way, however you like to do it. And then when we put this leather back over the screw boss, we just need to make sure it goes fully back into the depression so it's not in the way. Next thing is to install our battery. You'll see in the bottom portion here there's this little spring-loaded clip that serves to hold the battery in place while we install this. The only real purpose for that clip is to keep the battery from falling out when we turn this bottom over in order to reinstall it. If it's not providing enough tension to hold the battery in for you, you can gently just squeeze these two arms together and a little bit of adjustment is available there. You'll see this plus symbol on the bottom here. Match it up with the plus symbol on the battery, and so basically that goes on the bottom. All the writing and the plus symbol goes on the bottom here. We'll want to make sure you wipe your fingerprints off of this battery as well when you're installing it. There we go, that's it. Just put the two halves back together and tighten the screws. This thing is made pretty strong. It's got brass threaded inserts that are actually molded into the top half of this assembly. However, there's no need to overly tighten these. Just get them snug, and that is all you need. You can test the function, and that's it. It's just that simple. Hopefully that has answered all of your questions. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to reach out through the link on my website. Thanks for watching.